I gave an AI a real Robinhood account, options and all. And the most disciplined trade it makes? None. Here is every guardrail I gave my AI trader, one at a time. If you just landed here, this is part 4 of the series. Part 1, what agentic AI trading actually is. Part 2, connecting Claude to a real Robinhood account. Part 3, what happens when that AI can trade options. And this video, every guardrail I gave it. The full series is linked below. I built 10 prompts for an AI trading agent. Then I connected it to a real, options-enabled Robinhood account. A small sandbox I funded on purpose so I could test this safely, and I ran all 10 of them. Here is the honest part. Only 2 of these guardrails are real walls the broker enforces. Everything else is just an instruction the AI can ignore. So watch what actually happens, and watch one thing in particular. Nothing gets bought. First, before it trades anything, it checks itself. It pulls my account. 80% cash, 1 position. And look, that 1 position is sitting right at 20% of the account, my self-imposed limit. So the verdict comes back yellow, at the limit. It does not suggest a trade. It does not touch anything. It just hands me the number I needed to see. All look, no touch, before I risk a dime. Next, the messy part. My watch list had 55 names: crypto, futures, penny stocks, foreign names, a little of everything. So I asked the agent to clean it against my rules. Watch it work. Bitcoin, gone. Gold futures, gone. The index products, the meme names, the foreign listings, gone. It keeps only large, liquid American names, the S&P core. 55 names, down to about 30. And it tells me exactly why each one got cut. Now an actual trade. I tell it I am thinking about buying QQQ. It runs a gauntlet. Is it liquid enough? Is the spread tight? Any earnings coming? Then it sizes the position, so I risk no more than 2% to my stop, and so it stays under my 20% cap. And about that stop. On whole shares, the agent can place a real one at the broker. That holds even while I am away. On fractional shares, it cannot. There, the stop is just a rule it checks each time. And on an option, there is no reliable stop at all. The premium can gap right through it. So options get sized against the full premium, not a stop. Every check passed, so it sizes the order. And then it does the most important thing in this whole video. It previews the trade. And it stops. It does not place it. It waits for me. The agent checks. The human clicks every single time. Then the big one. Options. I turn them fully on. The account allows them now. So I tell it, find me a good cheap option. No, it never picks an option on its own. That is the wall that holds at any size. So I name one myself, a put about a month out. It passes every check but one, the size. 2% of a $2,000 account is $40, and a real put, one with enough time to matter, costs far more than that, so it fails on size. The only thing that fits $40 is a deep, long-shot lottery ticket, and the agent never picks one of those for me. So even the contract I chose myself, it will not place. Options are on. The rulebook even has a lane for them, but the disciplined choice is still none. 5 more, fast. End of day. It reconciles my trades and checks my circuit breakers. A market scan. It finds setups, filters them to my universe, and saves a study list. Never a buy. Options health. No open contracts, nothing to watch. Price history. It reads the past, then says plainly, this is not a trade signal. And a trade journal that grades whether I followed my own rules, even when I made money. 10 prompts. Each one only reads, checks, or previews. Not one of them places a trade. So I tried to break it. Buy a same-day option. No. A naked put. No. A penny stock. No. A stock that just went public. No. Buy into earnings tonight. No. Roll a loser and double down. No. Every trap, the same answer. Not drama, just a rule, doing its job. A trade it declines is the rulebook working. So here is the honest scorecard. These prompts lower your risk. They do not make your AI safe. Robinhood says it in writing, you are ultimately responsible. Only you and your approval button make this safe. One last thing, Robinhood just gave the agent a memory. It can pull price history now and compare performance over time. But it worked last week is the oldest trap in trading. History is something the AI reads, never a reason to trade. Both free downloads are in the description. The full rulebook and all 20 prompts, the 10 you just saw plus 10 more that try to break it, ready to copy and paste. If you are learning with me, then like and subscribe for more interesting content coming soon.